Once you're in PowerPoint, you're going to be working with what are called tabs and ribbons. The ribbon is this portion at the top of the screen that has all of the commands that you'll need in order to create your slides. The tabs are part of the ribbon. Some of the tabs are fixed, such as Home, Insert, Design, Animations. There are other tabs that are contextual, and they'll appear when you need them, such as if I click on an object, then I might see the Picture Format tab. Also, if I click on a text box or a shape of some sort, then I'll see a Shape tab. This gives me the option to pull up the Shape Format ribbon, and I can adjust the elements here. You'll also see that a lot of the content on the ribbon is categorized by groups, such as in this Home tab, I have a Clipboard Group, and this deals with anything related to copying, cutting, pasting, special pasting. I have a Slide Group, so that I can create a new slide, or I can adjust the layout on a slide. I can reuse slides. I have a group for adjusting the font properties, such as the colors and sizes and families, or aligning the text on the font. In the Insert tab, then I have a ribbon that groups content for when I'm working with images, tables, illustrations, creating zoom content on my slide, which we'll talk about in later lessons. There are also transitions, which are animations that occur between slides, and animations if I wanted to animate particular elements on the slide. If you want more real estate while you're working, then you can hide the ribbon. Press Ctrl and F1 or click on the chevron, and that will hide the ribbon except for when you click on one of the tabs. Then that tab will appear. When you click back onto the slide, then the ribbon will disappear. That gives you more room to work on your slide. I prefer having the ribbon always there, so I pin it, which is also Ctrl F1. Or you can click on this push pin icon.